Welcome to your very first step toward becoming a data engineer. Before we learn SQL or anything technical, we need to answer one simple question. What the heck is a database? By the end of this module, you'll understand exactly how data is stored, organized, and cleaned. Using a simple doggy daycare example. Imagine you run a doggy daycare. Every new owner walks in and tells you their name, their dog's name, and their phone number. So you write all this down on a notepad. But the notes get messy fast. Coffee stains, scribbles, arrows everywhere. The information is there, but it's chaotic. The first thing we do is clean it up. We rewrite the messy notes into clean lines. One person equals one line. John Smith, dog Buster, phone number. Sarah Chen, dog Daisy. David Lee, dog Rocco. That single clean line is called a row. Next, we break each row into boxes called columns. One column for first name, one for last name, one for city, one for phone number. When rows and columns come together in this organized grid, you get something extremely important, a table. But we have a problem. Another Sarah Chen joins, but she lives in Maryville. Now we have two Sarah Chens. Which one owns which dog? This creates confusion. We need a reliable way to tell them apart. The solution is to give every customer a unique number, like customer ID 1, 2, 3, and 4. No matter how many customers share the same name, their ID is always different. That number is called a primary key. Your daycare needs more than just customer information. You also need details about dogs, bookings, payments, and medical records. Each type of information gets its own table. When you collect all these tables together, you've built a database. With 10 customers, you can scroll through the list manually. But with 10,000 customers and millions of bookings, that's impossible. This is why we need SQL. SQL is your superpower. It helps you find information instantly, filter and sort data, calculate statistics, and answer business questions at the speed of thought. Data engineers organize and clean messy information so it becomes usable. They build the structure that stores all company data. They connect data from many different sources so everything stays accurate. And they optimize performance so data can be searched instantly, even when there are millions of rows. Here's the summary. A database is an organized collection of tables. A table is made of rows and columns. A row represents one record. A column represents one piece of information. A primary key is a unique ID. And SQL is the language we use to talk to the database. Up next, we're going to dive into SQL itself and start writing real queries. Let's learn SQL. And don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying this series.